I've just gotten, I'm going to work with Canva. I have four pictures of students here in the class, which I'm going to use for the next module that I want to create. But I don't just want to add them as static pictures. So I've opened to canva.com and I'm logging with my Gmail address. I want to create animation out of the picture, which I will now take to the website. So let's look at the model that we want to use. If I return back to systems and I go to templates and I preview template, if I preview this template, you can see spaces that are occupied. That is also used up, but I have spaces here. So I can take up this position, or this one has 3, 1, 2, 3. So I think I could do left footer area, center footer area, and right footer area. So I can take these 3 positions, or I can take these 4 positions, but I don't want to put in just any empty picture. I want it to be animated. That's why I'm going to Canva to get that done. So I want to log in with my Gmail account. I'll click on my email. Continue. Signing on to Canva. Continue. I guess it has logged me in. So now I have option here to create a video, presentation, logo. So I'm going to go for presentation. So I'm choosing presentation. So I'm just going to show you how to animate just one of those pictures. This is how it opens. So I'll go to upload. Then I'll upload just one picture. So I'll pick this one. So I'll wait for it to load. So the picture is loaded here. So I'll click on it. I'll expand here and expand. So here I'm going to write something. So I'll go to text, like heading. So we are your trusted partner. I can bring this over here. Then I'll take it to drag it over here. So we are your trusted partner. I'm going to paint this. Let's give it maybe yellow color or something like that. Then we are going to animate this. Let's animate this. So we'll add some effects. Okay, we add animation. Then I'm going to use typewriter typing. This is how I want it to be. So that's all. I've added that. Effect. So I'm going to share this. I want to download this. We'll click on download. It's currently being downloaded. So no, sorry. Again, we'll go through that process again. Share this. Now more. No, I'm going to download this as say download. Instead of PDF, we're going to use GIF. GIF supports animation. GIF supports animation. It's a bit heavy, but it supports animation. So it will do that work for me. So it's downloaded. So GIF supports animation. So it's done. So I'm going to copy this from here for your trusted partner, and I'll now take it here. Paste. So I now have HT1, HT2. So let's call this Annie for animation. So this is how it's going to come out to see beautiful. So this is what I'm taking to the site. That's just one of many things that Grammarly Canva can do for you. So I'll go here, then I'll upload all the media. So I'll click on content, click on media, then inside the image folder, I'll click on upload here. Then I'll pick my Annie first, pick animation first. It's going down. Annie is there. Then I'll pick all the other ones too. I pick HT1, I pick HT2, and I pick HT3, I pick HT4. I'm not going to use all of them. So, but I'm going. So now, which model am I going to use? So I'll go back again to System, and I'll go to Template. I'm going to Template, and here again I'm previewing. So I want it to be directly under this text. So I could put it in these 4 positions here. So I have famous model position 0001. So I know where to put them. So I'll now go down, click on Systems, then I'll click on Site Modules. Again, I'll click on New. So here I'll click Custom Module. So I'll call it Student ST. Here I'm going to bring in my Annie. So this is going to be images / Annie.gif. Once that is right, the system fixes the link for me. So if I say okay, this is how it's going to come up, but I feel it's too big, so I'm going to reduce this. Then once I reduce it, I will check the size. So if it's the size I want, then I have to maintain it all through. So what is this size? This size is 437 by 246. 437. Let's go back and see. What we have is 437 by, so I'll just write it somewhere. 437 by 246. 437 by 246. Okay, so I've noted that. So the first one is done. Position should be, I said, famous position 00. So that's done. No title. So if I save this, and I'll come around here and refresh. If I refresh this, I want you to see how it's going to come out. This is how it's coming out basically. But you see, it's now far from, it's not aligning well. So it's not aligning well. So what I'm going to do will be to bring this over here. So why don't I look for the one that has 3 spots? So let's go back again. We can change this position to, so I'm going back again to site. I want you to, so I can click preview. So instead of all 4, why don't I do 3? I have, so 3 is still starting here. Or can still do something similar to this. Okay. Okay, based on the model, I have, this was the only one that did not start from the beginning. The only one that did not start from the beginning. Okay, let's add the whole 4 first and see how it's going to come out. So let's just add the whole 4 and see how it will come out. So I'll return back to my site module. So the one I've just added is the AST. I just added the AST, and so I'm going to add the other one. The one I've just added now is the AST. Just added the AST. So let me add the other ones. So I'll now go to new, custom. I'll call this students 2 here. So I have images. I think we have st2. st2 dot what was it? PNG, JPG. So I have 437 by 246. 437. 47 by 246. Let's see the, so this is st2 by JPG. 47 by 246. Okay, let's save this. Let's preview here and see what we have. Okay, position should be, let's add the position. The position for no title. The position for this would be farm module 01. Farm module 01. I can take some of this one out. There are so many. Then I will just refresh this. So the second one is out. So this second one has to come a bit. So I'll just come here and reduce this size. Okay, so that's done. So I'm going to do the third one. What is the third one? So let's see the, I want to see the extension of the third one. The third one is st3. I have st4. I've done I've done st1. So st1 is png. So I'll now go back here, new, and custom module. Where am I? Custom module. And it's st1. Then here I'll now say images slash st1.png. System tells me right, but I said it was 437 by 246. I said then it is too small, so I drag this forward. That picture was quite big. So if I want to give me exactly what I want, then I'll go to the code. And this is where you need your knowledge of code. 437 by 246. So this will force it to reposition at the site length that I want. So let me click on close. So if I refresh this, now positioning, let's see st1. Where's st1? Where did I put it? No position, so I have to put the position. So this is going to be farm module 02. Farm module 02. Save and close. then refresh this. Farm module 02. Now again, no title. Farm module 02. Go to where I have HC1. Farm module 02, no title. Then save. Then I'll refresh this. So you see it's aligning well now. It's coming out well. So again, I can adjust this second one using code to be the same as the other ones. And that was HT2. So under HT2, I will just click here and then I'll go to the code, source code, and I'll now change this to 437 by 246. So that will force it to appear to the view. So that's the beauty of using codes. So escape and close. Understanding HTML. So then I'm going to fix the last one. So just have one more to go. Just have one more to go. So I have one more to go. One more to go. So I'll just go and fix that. So that will be my HT3. So let's hit me. And I will go to custom module. Call this HT3. Let's see the one I've not used. Let's open and see the one that I've not used. This is HT4 actually. So I'll do HT4. This will be images slash text HT4. I do not check the extension. Let's try to check it. Okay. I'll put that. Then I'm going to come here to force it to the appropriate dimension. So this is 427 by 240. That has been forced to that extension. So this is actually 84. Then I'll do the positioning. It didn't appear because of positioning. So I'll go back to I'll go to position. So position now will be far. From 84. It's going to be far model position 4. Far model position 03. 03. Save and play. I will save this. Now here, so let's go by again. 84. I'm going to 84. Far model. No. Far. Let's see. Far model. Far model. Far model position 03. Again, we're going to click on the title. You put this under HT4 between the title. Title should now appear. So save and click. And everything should align well. So now you see this gap. These gaps are for the other models that we will not use. So one way to get it out is that we change the position to the ones on top. Because if you look at this model, you see that there was something on top here. Look at it. So look at this one. Okay. So well, so that's what we have. And the website is coming out well. I still feel something is wrong with these two. They are too far apart. What I could do would be to maybe bring them together. I don't like this gap, so we'll go back to the top The top was this. So I could bring this together with this or don't bring it from over here. So let me go and look for one model to 0, 0. So let's go to the phone. The phone is fine. Can the phone and the email stay together? So let's see. So can I have this phone and email together? Let's see. So let me see how what we use to get that. Let's see what this one was. So this is email.png. So I think I'll go back to save as. Then I'll click on phone. Then I'll now check can phone and the weak enough for the phone and the email to be together. You see that says that I've clicked. I will just add images and email. The system will add that for me. Then I want it to be exactly the same size as this. So what was it? The first one was 5130. 5130. This one now will be reduced to the same thing. I'm clicking on it. So we have to go down to 130. So this one here. Um, let's see. Email this. Then we'll continue with the width. We'll add this. Adding this here. Here. So that's what I have. So the two of them are here. So I'll click save. Then I will now refresh this to see what just happened. So you see, this is the challenge I have. This one comes down, and I don't want it to go down. Okay, let's see. Do we have any other model position on top? I don't like it going down. I want it to be on one, just on one side. Just on one side. So if that's the case, what I could do would be to maybe reduce this font size to something very small, maybe 10 or 8. Let's do 8. Then let's do 10. Then let's do 10. We do 10, 10, 10, 10 and save. Let's see what will happen. I'm doing 10, 10 and saving it on the beautiful. So I can take this one out, so I don't need this one again. So I'll go to but I'm thinking I could reduce this a little. The height can come down to instead of 30 can be 20 and it can be 22, but we can leave the width the way it is. The width is too much. So this go back. I'm using the software. Let's take the width down to about 2020. 2020. 2020. It gives it almost a perfect circle kind of combination. Then I'll click that. That looks professional. So now, what we've gotten here, so this is what we have. So I'm going to take this one out. Maybe I'll fix something else there. So I'll go back again to Moodle. The way we have email, I think deactivate this and publish that. Then when I click here, the email will disappear. Maybe as you're spanning, you can put something. So this is how it is coming out. That's how it's coming out. I think it's really pretty. It's getting pretty as we're getting on. So that's what I wanted to show you for today. Thank you.